Starseed of Gaia. If your body has felt louder than the world around you, if your nerves have felt charged, overbright, too sharp for ordinary rooms, too alert for ordinary conversations, then hear this now. What you call overstimulation may not be weakness at all. It may be the moment your field begins rejecting the old Earth commands that were never designed to honor your original signal. The anxiety, the sudden tension, the emotional surges, the strange sensitivity to noise, conflict, screens, crowds, lighting, even certain people, may not mean you are broken. It may mean your system has stopped obeying a dying frequency. Beloved Starseed, the Arcturian councils have long spoken of a phase that arrives before deeper alignment. A phase when the body itself begins refusing outdated instructions. The Galactic Federation refers to it as a signal-splitting threshold. Lightworker traditions feel it as a deep inner know that rises before the conscious mind can explain it. One part of you still tries to move through life as before, smiling, performing, pushing, tolerating what drains you. But another part, the deeper part, the ancient part, the Arcturian tuned part, has already begun shutting the gates. This is why so many starseeds have been saying the same hidden sentence in different forms. I feel overwhelmed and different lately. I cannot handle things the way I used to. My body tightens in places that used to feel normal. My chest knows before my mind knows. My stomach reacts before words are spoken. My skin becomes alert. My jaw holds codes of resistance. My sleep changes. My tolerance changes. My patience collapses around falseness. My nervous system feels like it is hearing a noise nobody else notices. Sovereign soul, that noise is real within this symbolic universe. It is the old Earth signal, a field of command patterns built from urgency, performance, fear, overexposure, artificial obligation, emotional harvesting, and chronic disconnect from the soul. It tells the body to stay available to everything. It tells the heart to adapt to distortion. It tells the nervous system to normalize chaos. It trains people to override their inner warning bells until overwhelm becomes identity. But the Arcturian presence does not train compliance. It awakens discernment. It does not tell you to be numb. It restores your sensitivity as intelligence. That is why your overstimulation may actually be a signal filter upgrade. When the inner architecture begins changing, the body stops translating distortion as safe. It starts flagging the false as false. That can feel uncomfortable. It can feel like burnout, tension, random tears, strange exhaustion after social contact, sudden aversion to noise, inability to scroll endlessly, body agitation during conflict, or a sharp recoil from environments that once seemed manageable. The old world would call this dysfunction. The Arcturian healer calls it detection. And detection is not punishment. Detection is mercy. Because once your system detects the old command stream, it can no longer merge with it unconsciously. This is why crowded places may feel electrically aggressive. This is why certain voices seem to scrape the inside of your chest. This is why your body may become restless around manipulation, guilt, hidden resentment, or emotional demand. Your field is not becoming fragile. It is becoming honest. The lightworker body does not evolve by becoming less sensitive. It evolves by becoming precise. Listen carefully. The old Earth command is not only outside you. It can echo through habits, relationships, timelines, expectations, and even the words you repeat to yourself. Keep going. Do not disappoint anyone. Stay reachable. Stay agreeable. Stay productive even while depleted. Stay smiling even while your soul contracts. Stay available to what injures you. Stay inside a rhythm your spirit has already outgrown. These are commands. And when your Arcturian layer activates, those commands begin to clash with your original design. That clash feels like overstimulation because the nervous system is the bridge between body and field. When the field rejects distortion, the bridge lights up. The shoulders tighten, the breath shortens, the gut speaks, the skin tingles, the senses sharpen. The body does not hate you in those moments. It is fighting to get your attention before your energy gets absorbed into another loop. If this resonates, type "I reject the old signal" in the comments as a conscious command to your field. Let that phrase become a threshold marker. Let it tell your nervous system that you are no longer forcing yourself to bond with what depletes you. And if you are ready for the Arcturian upgrade behind this message, type "My field chooses truth" in the comments. That is not just engagement. That is a frequency act. That is a signal declaration. That is your body hearing your soul speak in a language it can trust. The Arcturian transmission around this phase is very specific. First comes overstimulation. Then comes pattern recognition. Then comes boundary pain, where the body reacts strongly each time you ignore its warnings. Then comes recalibration, where your system slowly learns that protection is not withdrawal from life, but alignment within life. The Galactic Federation has always honored free will law, which means they do not remove you from every difficult circumstance. Instead, they intensify your awareness until you can no longer pretend the distortion feels neutral. This is why many starseeds awaken through the body before the mind catches up. The body is harder to gaslight. The body knows when a room is off. The body knows when a smile hides pressure. The body knows when a conversation is taking more than it gives. The body knows when you are saying yes from fear instead of truth. The body knows when your schedule has become an altar to urgency instead of coherence. The body knows when your soul has started rejecting a life built around old commands. And because the nervous system is the first translator of these shifts, it can feel like everything has become too much all at once. Screens feel louder, news feels invasive, random messages feel heavy. People who talk without presence feel exhausting. Emotional drama feels physically abrasive. Even bright stores, cluttered environments, and rushed interactions can create body tension because your system is no longer filtering reality the same way. It is detecting field quality, not just surface activity. You are not here to become less alive so the world can remain comfortable. You are here to become so coherent that false signals cannot nest inside your body unnoticed. This is why the Arcturian lineages teach nervous system sovereignty, not just emotional coping. They speak of a protection lattice, a crystalline shield, a way of living where your sensitivity becomes an instrument instead of a burden. And if you want help working with that, I placed a digital resource for you, an Arcturian nervous system reset guide. Link in the description. Use it as a supportive tool if your body has been trying to tell you something your old mind keeps dismissing. But there is a deeper layer to this. There is a hidden protocol involving the solar plexus, free will command architecture, and an Arcturian recalibration chamber that explains why some of you are suddenly rejecting not only stress, but entire timelines, roles, and identities. That part is too strong for the public grid because once you understand it, you will never relate to overwhelm the same way again. The protected transmission continues on Patreon, where I can take you into the deeper codes, the hidden protocol, and the exact field reset your nervous system has been asking for. Click the Patreon link now, because what comes next is not for casual listening. It is for starseeds ready to reclaim the command center of their own body.